So I may actually walk outside and see what people are selling. Give you guys a quick tour of the flea market since it's kind of slow right now. So stay tuned and we'll check out the outside. Actually sold all that detergent to that guy for a good deal. Cool man. All the sports teams. Alright, just got outside, so vendors here under the covered entrance, and then across, they just started doing that this year because of COVID. They put vendors right across, so you kind of got this pathway through, and then there's more vendors down in the corner. So this is the Plaza Flea Market at North Point. So see if we can find anything good.
Or nice, but they're new and they're bringing the premium. 27.
Some gear here. Fresh seafood, fruit, a lot of miscellaneous stuff, similar stuff to what I get. So we're down on the other side now, and not only is there a whole row of people here, there's one on the other side of this. So over here there's more people set up as well. So I mean, there's a decent amount of people outside shopping. It's kind of like a foggy, it was a little chilly this morning, like in the low 40s. It's supposed to get up to like 56 today, so I guess the sun's going to burn off this fog and it'll probably be a nice day. But hopefully some of these people come inside when they're ready to eat and stuff and do some shopping in my store. So we got guys here to do like the storage locker clean outs, so just get a big variety of stuff. I think my helper wants to get one of those Ravens jerseys, or he's a Steelers fan, I'm sorry. He wants that Schuster jersey. So I'll have to let them know that they're out here. Wow, there's people all the way on the other side too. Some fishing stuff.
How much you doing the polar bear paper towels for? Polar bear paper towels.
Raven.
Some big cup on paper towels, gentlemen.
Come on, Raven.
Guys, you did great deal going on, my man. Great deal going on.
What's up, baby?
Oh, shit.
It's my boy Reds.
What's going on?
Hey, what's up?
One thing for sure, two things for certain. You get North Point Flea Market.
What up, what up? How you guys making out today?
All right, all right.
A little slow right now, huh?
Yeah,
that's
fog.
weird.
I don't know what's going on.
It's like nobody inside. Yeah, so my buddy Red's here. Actually, he's the one that told me that spot that I have is opened up. That's the guy I was referring to. So I lucked out and got that good corner spot because of him. This is his own clothing line that he makes, HBK Sports. You see his name there, Red. So you guys can check that out. Really cool design. He has all this stuff stitched on, very high quality. So nice stuff.
I got busted in Toys R Us.
Oh yeah, I know this. That looks like Costco boxes to me.
Yeah, I had to come over. And she saw the toy I was hanging.
Yeah, this looks like yeah, this is all Costco liquidation. So yeah, 80 bucks at Costco, selling it for 50. This is wow. Look at that. Yeah, that's I've done my fair share of Costco, that's for sure. I know them boxes very well.
They say record you buying before then, then they honor it forever.
So that gives you a quick rundown. I didn't buy anything. I got so much stuff, it's hard to even buy anything right now when I got like thousands of items to list. So it's like, unless it's a really good deal, I just don't have the time right now to mess with anything else. But I'm gonna go back in, see how Garrett's doing, see if we made any money. This fog is just crazy though. Look how foggy it is. So it's supposed to be a nice day today, but let's walk back in, check on the shop. There you go. Probably some good deals there.
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing, bud?
It's doing.
Slow today.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, not as many people as I should say. I'm sure you're probably doing well.
Yeah, it's gonna pick up soon, I'm sure.
Yeah.
There's definitely people
There's a
here.
lot of people outside.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's a furry furry.
Looks like Garrett's got some customers.
Okay, the camera's ready. You want me to smile?
There's Mo. Need to buy some snacks for the mailman. Say hi, it's my new friend. What's your name again?
Alicia.
Alicia's here. So I'm going to get some snacks for the mailman.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you know how people put little baskets out? Hey, honey.
Hi there.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Yourself?
Doing good. What are you buying? Anything good?
No, and we need customers. We need customers.
It's slow today.
That's all.
That fog is ridiculous.
Yeah,
My wife was just driving. She said she feels like she's in a blizzard.
Now you can't see far enough in front of you.
Some mac and cheese pops. These are what I came for. So these are normally like short date, so they like expire this month or next month. And you can get a 42 count for 10, or they have the bags over here, 2 for 10. They have all this stuff here. So these, I stocked up on these. This is a good deal. $5 for 12 Andes. I'm probably gonna grab both of these while I'm here, because that's a really good price. My kids like tear those things up. So let's do let's see, we got classic or flavor. Let's see what Mr. Greg would like better, classic or flavor. I think we'll go with classic. Classic box for the mailman. And then we're gonna grab 2 of these guys. These would be for us. So all that would be 20 bucks.
Yes, ma'am.
You got helper today, huh?
Miss Reba is always over here.
That's awesome. Keeps it.
I had heart surgery, so she don't let me lift nothing. You
Gotcha.
need a bag?
No, not for that. Thank you though.
20 bucks. You're welcome.
20 bucks.
Because you're busy on that jewelry store.
Nope. They're not busy anywhere today. Yeah, what's